Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Interior scene of a modern living room with large floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a serene forest view, sunlight filtering through trees creating dappled light patterns on the floor, sleek and minimalist design with natural wood accents, soft beige and cream color palette with vibrant orange cushions for contrast, spacious sectional sofa positioned centrally, low wooden coffee table with books and decorative items, warm tones and natural materials. Cozy and inviting living room interior, featuring a large, comfortable white sofa adorned with plush, rust-colored cushions. The walls are painted a soft, muted gray, enhancing the light, airy feel of the space. 3 large framed prints depicting serene landscapes with golden grasses are hung on the wall above the sofa. To the left, a tall tropical plant adds a touch of greenery, and a rattan chair offers a natural aesthetic. The floor is covered with a woven area rug in warm tones, complementing round, velvet poofs in a burnt orange hue. A modern, spacious living room with floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a tranquil forest view, surrounded by towering green trees and a hint of mountains in the background. The room features 2 large, light-colored sofas facing each other, accented by bright, mustard yellow cushions. A sleek wooden coffee table sits at the center, adorned with a lush green plant. The fireplace, set against a smooth concrete wall, emits a warm glow, enhancing the coziness. A spacious, modern living room with an open concept design, featuring a cozy arrangement of plush, neutral-toned sofas with rich, textured throw pillows in earthy colors like rust and beige. The room is illuminated by warm pendant lights hanging from exposed wooden beams, creating an inviting atmosphere. A large, rustic coffee table made of reclaimed wood sits at the center, adorned with decorative items and a small plant, adding a touch of nature. Interior scene featuring a cozy and inviting living room, designed in a modern aesthetic with a touch of bohemian charm. The focal point is an oversized, plush orange sofa adorned with soft gray and orange cushions. On the wall hangs an abstract painting depicting a lush tropical landscape with palm trees, framed in a minimalist style. A large macrame wall hanging adds texture and interest, while vibrant green plants flourish in the corners, enhancing the natural feel of the space. The floor is covered with a textured rug in earthy tones, complementing the warm wood accents in the room. Cozy modern living room interior with large glass windows overlooking a serene garden, warm autumn colors in the trees, a contemporary light beige sectional sofa adorned with orange cushions, a large wooden coffee table with minimal decor, a plush area rug, subtle ambient lighting emanating from built-in shelves filled with books, a sleek stone fireplace visible through the glass, soft shadows and warm light creating an inviting atmosphere, hyper-realistic style, emphasizing texture and natural materials, surrounded by lush greenery and soft outdoor lighting. Cozy living room interior, featuring a spacious L-shaped sectional couch with light beige upholstery adorned with orange and terracotta cushions, large floor-to-ceiling windows allowing warm golden sunlight to filter in, setting a tranquil mood, lush greenery visible outside, modern artwork on the walls including an impressionistic piece with autumn foliage and an abstract composition, a wooden coffee table in the center with a small potted plant and a wine glass, a soft area rug in orange tones complementing the decor. Cozy living room interior, featuring a spacious L-shaped sectional couch with light beige upholstery adorned with orange and terracotta cushions, large floor-to-ceiling windows allowing warm golden sunlight to filter in, setting a tranquil mood, lush greenery visible outside, modern artwork on the walls including an impressionistic piece with autumn foliage and an abstract composition, a wooden coffee table in the center with a small potted plant and a wine glass, a soft area rug in orange tones complementing the decor. Cozy, modern living room with a large, plush sectional sofa in a light beige fabric, showcasing tufted detailing. The room features wooden beams across the ceiling and rustic stone walls, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A large bay window reveals a serene snowy landscape dotted with evergreen trees and distant mountains. The color palette includes soft neutrals with accents of black through decorative pillows. A round, tufted coffee table sits in the center, complemented by a smaller dark wood table adorned with minimal decorations. A bright and inviting contemporary living room with an oversized, vibrant orange sofa adorned with a mix of textured pillows in neutral and blue tones. The space features a large round white ottoman in the center, contrasting against an intricate orange and blue patterned area rug. A minimalist round coffee table sits atop the rug, holding decorative items. In the background, large windows allow natural light to flood the room, revealing a serene landscape outside. A large, calming ocean-themed painting hangs on the wall, complementing the coastal aesthetic. Spacious and inviting living room with large floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a serene forest view. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing the texture of the soft, oversized cream-colored sectional sofa adorned with cozy throw pillows in warm earthy tones. A chunky, hand-knit jute rug lies underneath, complementing round, knitted poofs in burnt orange. A natural wood centerpiece defines the room, with a minimalist fireplace to the side, evoking warmth and comfort. Spacious modern living room with floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a city skyline at dusk, featuring soft golden and blue hues reflecting off tall buildings. The interior design is minimalistic and elegant, characterized by a large, plush sectional sofa in light fabric, a glass coffee table atop a textured beige rug, and stylish wooden dining chairs around a contemporary table.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.